If you are good at that, you speak a wonderful prose, and if you are really good, you can be a poet. Architecture belongs to the epoch, and not even to the time, as they say, to a real epoch. That is the essence of the epoch, and that is the only thing we really can express. You know, you have to construct something. You can make a garage out of it, or you can make a cathedral out of it. The same means, the same structural methods we use. Once I understood that, I would not be for fashion in architecture. I would look for more profound principles. But first I had to conquer the idea, and later I appreciated it as a beauty. Thomas Aquinas, he says, reason is the first principle of all human work. But when I have a better conviction, a better idea, a clearer idea by that, I mean, then I follow the clearer idea. Now, when you have grasped that once, you know, then you act accordingly. So I would throw everything out what is not reasonable. I don't want to be interesting. I want